The following video will show you how you can link a pneumatic valve or hydraulic valve with an electrical solenoid. We're in the pneumatic schematic. Insert a symbol and place a valve down. This has been numbered in accordance with ISO standards. We now switch to our electrical schematic and we can insert a solenoid. Place this device down. In our component browser we've got two components, but if we want K1 linking to valve 1, all we have to do is just drag and drop into V1 and it becomes a sub parent device of V1. So you'll now see that the component tag is actually called V1K1. If I right click over this device and I'll open this symbol up, we could, if we wish, add an additional attribute of parent tag. And we'll place this down with a snap so it lines up with the other items. If I close this symbol down and then update this symbol, not only will this show V1K1, but it will also show the parent tag. So we know that the parent tag of this device is actually V1.